Magic 89.9.
It's Saturday over here at Magic 89.9. You're going to be with me, Isabel, and back-to-back guests for you guys. This one is Bamboo with Hallelujah. And there is a reason that we play this song because we've got the grand champion of The Voice Teens Season 3 from Team Kawayan, Jillian Pamat. Hi.
Hi po.
Hi. Thank you so much for coming, guys. Pinapaligiran ako ng mga bata today. Ang babata nila lahat. And it is a Saturday morning for you guys. We're doing All Hits Saturday, the hits of the 2000s up until 2020. So hi, Jillian. So The Voice The Voice Teens Season 3. Again, sorry, I'm so sorry. Kanina pa kami kids. The Voice Teens Season 3. Ilang taon ka nun?
15 years old po.
So, anong grade yun? 15 years old?
Grade 9.
Now, grade
11.
Nag-graduate ka na ng high school,
Yes
senior high
po.
ka na.
Senior
Right?
high.
So kahit 2 taon lang yun, 15 to 17, that's a big gap, right?
Yes, sobra.
Sobrang laki nun. Kahit 2 taon lang, guys, that's a big gap in age. Anong pinagkaiba nung 15 ka, na nag-The Voice ka, hanggang sa ngayon na senior high ka na, 17 years old ka na? How do you think nag-change yung pag-iisip mo sa music and sa music career mo, singing mo? Anong mga nagbago?
Siguro po yung yung genre po. Parang nag-explore po ako like from birit-birit to parang chill music muna, parang ganun po. Parang yun po yung naging transition kasi pag nagdadalaga ka po, parang naiiba din po yung boses mo.
May pagpiyok din ba pag nagdadalaga? Nagbibinata din ang boses?
Parang feel ko po yung parang hindi naman po siguro sa lahat, pero may po talaga parang nagbabago talaga yung boses.
Yeah. O nga,
May
kasi when
chance
you're
na
young,
magbabago
sobrang matinis yung
Yes,
boses.
matinis po talaga. Then now, parang bumubuo na po siya, ganun po.
Okay, so for those who haven't watched The Voice Teens Season 3, what song did you sing in the auditions and what song did you win with?
Yung audition ko po is yung Di Na Muli. Then yung ang finale song ko po is Tag-Ulan.
Oh,
Yes.
Tag-Ulan. Oh, Di Na Muli Tag-Ulan. Puro mga sad songs ang mga pinipili
yes
mo.
po.
May happy song ka ba na kinanta? Bata-bata mo pa, bakit sad songs?
May isang love song naman po, Forevermore.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, so usually for somebody who sings sad songs or ballad songs, right, slow songs, Team Kawayan ka. Ang nasa utak ko pag naisip ko si Bamboo, rock songs,
Yes,
right?
rock.
So bakit si Bamboo yung pinili mo noong time na yun?
Idol ko po talaga si Coach Bamboo. And parang, nung time po kasi na yon, parang gusto kong i-mix yung ballad to rock. Parang ganun po. Tapos, nung may time na nag-duet kami ni Coach Bamboo, talagang sabi ko, hello, Diyos ko, yung niya, yung parang, yung aura niya sa stage, tapos yung boses niya, parang hindi ko mapantayan kasi rock icon yung kasama ko.
Oo nga.
Then, nung second practice naman, parang nag-a-adjust na ako, then parang nahahawaan ako sa energy niya. Talagang kailangan mong mag-step up para masabayan mo yung kaduet mo na si Coach Bamboo. Coach Bamboo na yan.
Oo nga. Tama naman, right?
Oo
Parang
po.
how are you gonna... Ako, na 15 years old, ako na bata, kakanta ako sa tabi ni Bamboo. Ang mga kinakanta ko, ballad songs, acoustic, ginigitara, tapos sa kanya electric guitar.
Yes,
Diba? May amplifier yung sa kanya, medyo mahirap tapatan, no? Okay, so you did The Voice Teens 2 years ago. Now you're 17 and you're not anymore a Voice Teens champion, right? I mean, it's fun for a while, but now you're Jillian Pamat on your own, trying to venture inside the career of music as a solo artist. So what can we expect from you now? You're 17, you're in your teen years. Usually, yung mga nakikita nating kanta about love, first love, ano yung mga kanta na sa tingin mong mas pipiliin mong kantahin ngayon?
Siguro po for now, mga na lang po siguro, mga city pop, mga R&B, mga ganun po muna.
Oh.
So, stop po muna siguro ako sa mga birit-birit talaga masyado. Yun po.
Oh, okay. So now, you're still in school. Yes? So how do you balance work, singing, and the school as well?
Hindi naman po ako masyadong nahihirapan kasi yung school naman po, sinusupport po nila ako. So, if ever po na may gig ako, mga ganon, or may practice, mga 3 p.m. ganon, nagpapalam ako, then they approve naman po.
Aw, that's
Opo,
nice.
sobrang bait po ng school ko.
Oo nga, hindi lahat ng school mabait. Girls, panghawakan mo yan. No? Okay, so what does a day in the life look like for you? On a regular school day, what does it look like day to day for you?
Ano lang naman po, like, masaya naman po talaga everyday eh. Kaya minsan nadadaanan yung mga, for example, nalilate, ganyan, napapaglitan din minsan. Kaya parang cycle po, parang gulong lang. Up, down, parang ganun lang po.
Oo nga naman, tama. And you're still young, right? You have your whole life ahead of you. But now let's say if you wanted to write your own music, what do you think would you write about?
Siguro po siguro about na lang sa mga broken songs.
Aray ko, te. Hirap niyan. What type of
Yes.
have you ever been in love?
Opo. Puppy love.
Guys,
Puppy love.
Puppy love. That's, hey, wag ka. Pagka teenager ka, tas na in love ka, buong buhay mo yun. Sisirain ka talaga ng first love pagka bata ka. Huwag ka mag-alala. And somebody said here, we had a guest before, she was a songwriter, singer-songwriter. She says, a broken heart makes good art. So, feeling ko, a lot of good artists have to go through a broken heart at first. So, if you were a songwriter now, you'd write about sad songs pa din.
Yes,
Walang masyadong
sad
nagbago.
songs.
Pero hindi na masyadong birit na mga kanta.
Hindi na po.
Hindi na. So, itong susunod mong kakantahin for us, you're gonna sing as a cover. Why did you choose this song to sing for us today?
Well, sa genre pa lang, parang city pop, malapit talaga siya sa new generation ngayon, sa mga Gen Zs. So, this novela, parang, parang ginawa namin ng bago. Then, parang kahit malungkot yung song, yung dala ng song, mapapasayaw ka. Parang ganun po yung atake.
Okay. So I won't keep you guys waiting for any time longer. This is Jillian Pamat with her rendition of Nobela. You're listening to All Hits Saturday. Today's best music, Pure Magic, 89.9.
Ngumiti kahit na napipilitan, kahit pa sinasadya mo akong masaktan paminsan-minsan, bawat sandali na lang. Tulad mo ba akong nahihirapan, lalo't naisip ka? Di ko na kaya pa nakalimutan, bawat sandali na lang. At aalis, magpapalik, at uulitin, sabihin na mahalin, ka't sambitin, kahit muling masaktan. Sa pag-alis, ako'y magbabalik, at sana naman. Sa isang marikit na alaalay, pangitain kay ganda. Sana nga'y pagbigyan ng tadhana, bawat sandali na lang. Sumabay sa biglang pagkabahala, lumabis ang pagtataka. Tunay na pagsintang di alintana, bawat sandali na lang. At aalis, magpapalik,
Hit Saturday over here on Magic 89.9. You're going to be with me, Isabel. And we also have Jillian Pamet, the winner of Season 3 of The Voice Teens. Wow. O nga, your rendition of Nobela, City Pop.
Yes.
Right? That was amazing. And are we expecting more songs like this from you? What other songs would you want to cover na hindi mo pa naka-cover or nagagawa ng sarili mong rendition of the song?
Siguro no po, pag-iisipan po siguro muna. But yeah. So, they can follow me on my social media accounts naman for more updates. Ganun.
Ayan, o nga, if they want to see you live, if they want to see more of you, saan kanila pwedeng puntahan? What is your social media? Facebook, Instagram, TikTok?
They can search po Jillian Pamet and also in all social media accounts po yan.
Okay, thank you so much. Do you have any gigs coming up soon if they want to watch you live?
Tomorrow po, Sunday sa Fairview Terraces po. Kasama ko po yung Grace Note tomorrow po, 5 p.m. See you there. Kita-kits.
Again, 5 p.m. tomorrow at Ayala Terraces. Thank you so much, Jillian. Now, before I let you go, do you want to say hello or shout out to anybody who is listening to you on air?
Well, shout out po sa lahat po ng taong nakikinig ngayon, family ko, friends, and classmates. Yan, shout out po.
Ayan, maraming salamat. Okay, yeah, go.
Pwede ko po i-promote yung novela.
Of course.
Yeah. So, yung novela po is now available on all music platforms, Spotify, YT, and all, etc. Lahat po available po yung novela. You can stream po. Please pakinggan nyo po and magustuhan nyo. Thank you.
Yeah, yes, of course. Stream on all digital streaming platforms her rendition of Nobela. And of course, tomorrow at Ayala Terraces, 5 p.m. with Grace Now. Thank you so much, Jillian,
Thank you
for
po.
coming on to the show. And if you missed the interview, you can watch it on Facebook.com/Magic899. We are also on YouTube. That's Magic899 TV for you. And more of you guys' requests are coming up soon. That's Twitch.com/Magic899 TV, as well as live on TikTok, Magic899. You're listening to All Hits Saturday with me, Isabel, up until 9 in the morning. We are Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.